In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Fibonacci retracement in MetaTrader 5. To get started, open the MetaTrader 5 platform and make sure you have a chart visible on your screen. Fibonacci retracement is a drawing tool traders use to identify possible support and resistance levels during a price pullback, so it helps to begin with a chart where price movement is easy to see. Once you're inside MetaTrader 5, go to the top menu and click Insert. From there, move to Objects, then find the Fibonacci option. This is where MetaTrader groups its Fibonacci-based drawing tools. After that, click on Fibonacci retracement to activate the tool. Now that the tool is selected, the next step is to look at your chart and locate a clear swing high and swing low. A swing high is a visible peak where price moved up and then turned back down. A swing low is a trough where price dropped and then started moving upward again. It's important to choose obvious points on the chart because the quality of your Fibonacci levels depends on where you place the tool. If you're measuring an upward move, click on the swing low or trough and then drag your cursor up to the swing high or peak while holding down the mouse button. This tells MetaTrader that you want to measure the move from low to high, which is commonly used when looking for pullback levels in an uptrend. If instead you're measuring a downward move, click on the swing high first and drag your cursor down to the swing low. In this case, you're measuring from the top of the move to the bottom, which is useful when analyzing retracements during a downtrend. The direction you drag matters, so be sure to match it to the market move you're analyzing. As soon as you release the mouse, MetaTrader 5 will automatically draw horizontal lines across the chart at key percentage levels. These levels represent possible zones where price may pause, react, or reverse during a retracement. You'll typically see several common percentages displayed, and they appear directly on the chart so you can compare them with recent price action. A helpful tip here is to zoom in if the swing points are hard to identify, and if the lines don't look right, simply redraw the tool using clearer highs and lows. With a little practice, Fibonacci retracement becomes much easier to place accurately, and it can be a useful way to structure your chart analysis inside MetaTrader 5.